The Svelte framework ruined my project, and I think that any project using Svelte is probably doomed too. First of all, Svelte is so fast that when I visit my website, it loads way too quickly, and so I can't go and make a cup of tea like I usually do for other websites. And this speed problem occurs on all devices, and I think we should start a petition to ask the developers to intentionally make the framework slower. That way, websites made with Svelte take longer to load and the user experience improves. Another problem that I have with Svelte is that it made my project explode into 1,000 pieces because Svelte takes up almost no space on my hard drive. This small size makes it way too easy to use on a variety of devices, which I personally hate. Speaking of easy to use, with Svelte I was able to rapidly develop my website in just 3 days. Which to me means that being a web developer is becoming way too easy. I personally wish it was much harder to develop sites so that I could get paid way more. Because of Svelte, my website, a site where you can learn Irish proverbs, is really simple and modern. This weird approach that Svelte made to web development puts an upside down smile on my face, and I think they should make it more complicated. So in conclusion, with Svelte I was able to develop my website quickly. It worked perfectly with no bugs on many devices, and to this day it loads in close to 0 seconds.